Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue we are facing today is that the screen on your Lenovo ThinkPad flops backwards on its own. This is often caused by a faulty hinge or a worn-out support mechanism. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage to the screen or the hinges themselves, resulting in a more costly repair down the line. To fix this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a replacement hinge set, and a clean workspace. Now, let's get started on the repair. First, ensure that your Lenovo ThinkPad is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Gently flip the device over and remove the battery if possible. This will ensure safety while we work on the internal components. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of your laptop. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel gently. Be cautious not to damage any of the internal components while doing this. With the back panel removed, locate the hinges that connect the screen to the base of the laptop. These are typically situated on either side of the screen. Inspect them closely to identify which hinge is faulty. If you notice any signs of wear or damage, this is likely the culprit. Now, to replace the hinge, you need to remove the screws that hold the faulty hinge in place. Make sure to apply gentle force when unscrewing, as you want to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, carefully detach the hinge from the screen and base. Take your new hinge and position it where the old one was located. Secure it with the screws you just removed, ensuring it is tightly fastened. Now, reconnect any cables that may have been disconnected during the process. Be sure to check that no cables are pinched or obstructed by the new hinge. Once everything is back in place, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it correctly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Now, replace the screws you had set aside earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could cause damage. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it earlier, and power on your Lenovo ThinkPad to check if the screen operates properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, be sure to handle your laptop with care, particularly when adjusting the screen. Regular maintenance and checks can also help extend the life of your hinges. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.